Alright, what's going on everyone? So today in this video I'm here with Supreme unboxing on an item I've been wanting since Supreme Spring Summer 17. So basically when I got into Supreme, it was the first week that I really was paying attention to anything. First week I really looked into buying something, and I didn't really end up copying anything, but I did the next week when I was Supreme Champion that week, and that was the first time I ever got. But this item was the first item I really ever wanted, and it's a grail on my list, and I have it right here, so.
It goes hard. Yeah,
it goes hard. When y'all are gonna see it, I think y'all are gonna enjoy it. So if y'all think you'll enjoy this video, y'all can subscribe, y'all can drop a like, any of that, I'd appreciate it. And also y'all can enter in the Supreme CDG Air Force One giveaway down below. It's completely free, y'all don't have to pay anything. All you gotta do is enter. It's really simple, y'all just
enter.
Yeah, just click the link in the description. He's entered. See? Yeah, so it's simple, right?
Yeah, you just gotta enter.
It's easy, so just go in the link in the description and y'all can do that there really quick and easy. And yeah, comment below what you all think the item is before I start the video, alright? So comment it right now. I'll give you all a few seconds. So comment that down below, and yeah, let's get started in this video. Alright, so this item is from Supreme Spring Summer 17 Week 2, and basically it was a Supreme Lacoste collaboration. Now, y'all probably, some of you may know what it is now, but basically, you know, I'm putting it in Supreme back, because I already opened it, I already styled it, but I think I posted on my story for a little bit, and I took it down, because I don't really want to preview it too much for this video, but this is first time I ever really wanted. Y'all just sort of saw it. It's a Supreme Lacoste track jacket. Y'all see this bend? Don't this go hard?
It goes hard.
This goes hard, and look.
One of the hardest jackets ever.
Yeah, this one of the hardest Supreme jackets, I think. And I'm not just saying that because I own it, but I've wanted this for a while. So you got obviously the Lacoste alligator or crocodile right there, and you know you got the Lacoste in the back right there, so y'all can see that Lacoste. And then also on the side right here, you got the Supreme. You see that?
Clean, dude.
That's clean.
Is the best part of the hoodie, in my opinion.
It's not a hoodie. It's a jacket.
Not the hoodie, the jacket.
It's good. No, it's good. It says Supreme there. Obviously around, you know, you just see all the letters there. That's just one of my favorite parts. It's like, especially the fact that it's not just like screen printed on. I feel like nowadays they just screen print everything. And also, yeah, I'll put this over my face so maybe y'all can see it. You probably can't, but it says Lacoste on the zipper right here. And also I like the colorway too. You know, you got the normal tag they've been using and all that. And the colorway goes hard in my opinion, just because the white and red just goes well together. And my favorite color, I wear a lot of white t-shirts, and red's also my favorite color of the navy. So like this just is all together, like just one of my favorite jackets. Fit. Yeah, and the inside's super comfortable. Like they chose a really nice material. Like y'all can probably see that a little bit. It's just super comfy. Here, I'm gonna put it on even with the hoodie. It's gonna look whack with me wearing it with the hoodie. Yeah, but y'all see it. Like it goes. I think it's pretty clean. I like it. Like, look, this is nice.
You can look rock it.
No, I looked like a English footballer, a soccer player. Right before a game, he's like on the jacket and hoodie like this. He's like, huh? But yeah, you know, let me get my sleeve up. Actually, you're low key right. It sort of works.
Yeah.
I mean, it'd have to be really cold outside for me to wear a hoodie and a jacket, but yeah, so you see the sleeve on the side there.
Without the hoodie on though. Like
without the hoodie? Like the hoodie down?
Yeah.
Like this? Why? No.
Yeah, unzip the neck a little bit too.
No, that wouldn't work. Like.
Yeah, and then take the hoodie off.
Alright, yeah, true. That could work. That could work. But yeah, this is again one of my favorite items ever, and obviously I couldn't have done it without you all and y'all supporting and watching my ads and my videos, answering my giveaways, subscribing, doing all that stuff. You know, I couldn't do it without you all, and I really appreciate that. And you know, it's the constant love. You know, pretty much it. That's what I think. And the jacket goes hard. Period. I mean, I like it.
As Ian Joseph said, it goes hard.
Yeah, it goes hard. Y'all remember that vlog where you said that like a million times, but hopefully y'all were entertained.
Yeah, bro,
by
I copped this in that vlog.
Yeah, he copped this in that vlog. And then he got the Lacoste video. He got Lacoste on too. So like,
yeah, bro, I got that.
It's Supreme Lacoste. Oh, you see that? That's a big flex. Yeah, we see that. And I got the OG Lacoste on right here. Or a bit older. It's not OG, but you know.
Lacoste.
21 hates Lacoste. What would you think about Supreme Lacoste though?
Go hard.
Maybe. But yeah, I like this fit actually. This low key goes decent.
No rappers Supreme.
Yeah, no rappers hate Supreme other than Tyler.
Nav with the Supreme.
True. But yeah, this is my favorite part of the jacket right here, the sleeve, and also like the color split here on like the sleeve. And like at the chest here, I just really like that part. But yeah, you know, I don't know how me wearing it with the hoodie worked out, and you know somehow it's a decent fit. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And I just want to say thank you all y'all, because I wouldn't be able to do it without all y'all. But if y'all did enjoy this video, and you know, if you want me to see me cop more grills in the future, of course y'all just gotta keep supporting me and showing the love y'all have been. I really appreciate it. Y'all can go subscribe below if you're new, and also go into the giveaway link in the description for a free pair of Supreme CDG Air Force Ones. Like, you don't have to pay a dime or anything. Literally just go enter it. Hey Ben, don't only take like a few seconds to go enter the giveaway.
A few seconds, dude.
Yeah.
Enter the giveaway.
Yeah, it only takes a few seconds. So if you got a few seconds of your day spare, which you've been spending a few seconds on this video, so if you want to spend a few more, then you guys have a chance to win a really nice pair of sneakers. And you know, I just thought I'd give it away for like a Christmas thing, and also for 20K. But I just want to say thank y'all for showing the love y'all have been. I really do appreciate it. I'm gonna go rock this fit because it somehow works. And that's it. I just want to say thank y'all for watching. I appreciate all the love. And this is my OG girl, and I finally copped it. Did you see that? It's pretty nice. Peace out.
Crazy young fuck nigga.